Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Today, I went to the vegetable garden to catch some snails.
Oh, wow!
1, 2, 3, and many snails.
Okay, let's go home. La 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 la.
First, I will wash the snails thoroughly with rice water. Put rice in the bowl. Then pour water over the rice. Now we have rice water. Okay, done. Now we will boil the snails for the first time. The snails need to be boiled for 30 minutes to eliminate all bacteria. As soon as the snails are done boiling, I'll put them on a dish. Next, I will prepare the seasonings for the second boil. First, finely chop lemongrass. After that, chop the galangal into small pieces. Continue by putting the snails in the pot. Add a bit of lime leaves, lemongrass, and galangal. This time, I'll use Coca Cola to boil the snails instead of water. Stir and mix. Next, I will make the dipping sauce for the snail dish. Take a bit of garlic. Add chili peppers. Salt and sugar are essential. Crush, crush, and crush. Finally, squeeze some lime juice. Stir the seasonings together. Join me in eating, everyone. The snail dish is delicious, and the dipping sauce is excellent too. But there aren't many snails. I'll probably eat something else later.